Hi, my name is Baby Beth. Sorry if I sound a little weird in this video. I think I'm getting sick. I have like a sore throat thing going on, so sorry. I'm Baby Beth, and today I wanted to do a video where I show you what's inside of my bag. I have a bag. I carry a bag everywhere. Sometimes if you watch my YouTube shorts or if you follow me on like any other social media, you would see this bag in a lot of my outfit videos. Let's get into it. This is my bag. This is the bag that I carry everywhere. Personally, I prefer, like, this is like technically a purse, I guess. I personally like prefer to have mini backpacks over a purse. And so when Loungefly came out, oh my god, that was like the best thing ever, because I've been carrying a mini backpack around as a purse for like my whole life. So anyways, first of all, obviously is black, which is the best. It has gold accents on it because why the fuck wouldn't it? That's literally the cutest. Anyways, I have things on the outside of it. The first thing I have is, this is a Squishmallow. Oop, this is a Squishmallow. It's a white bat. It's so cute. It's not a fruit bat. I think it's a regular bat. They have fruit bats and regular bats, and I do have some fruit bats, but I think this is a regular one. He's really cute. I had to get him because I just thought he would look so cute, like a white bat with a black bag. I thought it was so cute. And then down here at the bottom of the same strap, I have, it's a little cinnamon roll, but she moves. That's from, I'm pretty sure this one's from a blind bag from like a Barnes & Noble. And then the only other thing I have is a Frankie. I have a Frankie from a blind box I got from like GameStop one time, and I got Frankie. So put him on my bag, and he lives there now. I also have a Robin one, but I do not know where I put that. That one used to be on my bag. I used to only have Frankie and Robin on my bag, but now he's all alone. Alrighty, time to get inside of the bag. We're looking in this pocket first. I am the person in the friend group that when we go out, I have literally everything that you need. So, I have a knife. I don't know if I could show that on YouTube. I have a knife. I got Burt's Bees lipstick, lip gloss or whatever the hell, chapstick, yeah. This is the dragon fruit flavor. I guarantee you that's what this is without even reading it, because that's the best kind. All the other ones kind of like smell weird. I also have a mini chapstick. You never know when you're gonna need chapstick, man. And that's literally all I have in the front pocket, because I had a fireproof matches and band-aids, but I took those out recently because I cleaned out my bag and I forgot to put them back in. Onto the big bucket. So first of all, what I have in the little mini pocket is hairbands. Oh, can you see that? Hairbands. These are, I think, both clear and black mini hairbands. It's like a little traveling case for them. See? Just little guys. You never know when you need hairbands, and sometimes I will have braids in, and then usually I'll put like 2 or 3 rubber bands at the end of the braids because my hair is like really fucking thick. And sometimes when I'm like out in public or whatever, the hairbands will just like snap and just break. I'm just gonna assume that's not my car. But yeah, I got this from Ulta. Sometimes the hairbands just snap when I'm out in public and you just need to throw a new one on. Because sometimes my hair will just start to unravel. It's crazy. The next thing I have is the Welly branded, if I can get it open. It's like a little mini first aid kit. It's got band-aids, it's got alcohol wipes, it's got mini gauze. You never know. You never know. I specifically went out and bought this. I seen this was on a sale or like on a clearance one time, and I was like, I need to go buy this immediately. Because I used to have band-aids, just like loose band-aids, just like willy-nilly in my purse. I mean, it was sanitary because they're still in the packaging, but like it's not the best. So now they have a case. And I got extra stuff because alcohol wipes are always needed because not everything can be cleaned with water. One time, the reason that I have things like this is like, what are you ever gonna use for this for, right? Okay. First of all, I skate. Me and my friends skate. I will not show the pictures, but I have so many pictures of both me and my friend. I remember one year, me and my friend, we had like matching boo-boos. We had matching owies. She got hurt on like her right elbow and left knee or something like that, and I got hurt on like my right knee and left elbow or something. It was something stupid like that, where literally we would match. And that's just from skating, because sometimes like you be going down a hill, you don't see a rock there, but the rock sees your tires, and then you go flying off a board. So this would have helped, but I did not have it. So now we are prepared. Oh my god. Okay, I found this at a thrift store, and I keep seeing these online or whatever. I seen this at a thrift store. The back of it, that's like mirrored. The back of it is the world of strawberry shortcake. I love strawberry shortcake. This specifically is the 1980s strawberry shortcake. I don't really care for her that much, but most, like, literally, like, strawberry shortcake. Also 1980s strawberry shortcake. Like, I just don't like the 1980s strawberry shortcake, the OG strawberry shortcake. I prefer the 2003 to 2009 versions, but whatever. The 1980s is the only one that I can find. Is that? I think that is. That is strawberry shortcake, and I think raspberry? I'm unsure. I'm pretty sure that's raspberry. This is, I seen this at a thrift store. I keep seeing these on Etsy, but this is like, I don't know if you can like see the texture or whatever it is, but like, it's just so well made in my opinion. Like, it's like actually like, it's got the little like puffy puff protectant shit. I don't know. What is it? Ah, those are my loose band-aids. Those are my loose band-aids. I found them. Told you I had loose band-aids just like all willy-nilly. Literally. Oh, what you need, what you want. I got band-aids. You need band-aid? I got band-aid. Anyways, those are my loose band-aids. This is a container for, like, I can hang little necklaces or like bracelets or whatever up here. You can put them in here. It's like a little thing. And then like put your rings here. You can put whatever the hell else, like earrings, rings, whatever you need in there. So yeah, I thought this was literally the cutest. I'm gonna put my loose band-aids back in here. But yeah, I have a really bad habit. I love to wear rings and jewelry, but I have a really bad habit of taking them off and putting them in my pockets and then completely forgetting that they're in my pockets, and then I don't want them to go through the wash. So I bought this because then when I'm out and about, like outside of the house, I can literally just take off my rings and put them in here and then put it in my bag, and then I literally don't have to think about it at all because they're not gonna be lost as long as my bag comes with me. Like, I'm not gonna lose it. It's gonna end up home, you know what I mean? It's not gonna end up in the wash. I'm not gonna be like panicking like I lost my shit. So that's why I got this. This is actually like a need, to be honest. Oh, you know, you could really never have too much chapstick. This is actually, I got this is matching. There's another one. This is a skull if you can't tell. But I got another one that's matching. If I can open it. You crack his head open and it's literally like a EOS like chapstick. It's not EOS brand, but it's like a EOS chapstick. It's minty. I love it. The brand is Rebels Refinery is what it says. I don't know. I got it at Walmart in the like makeup self-care section. So this is like, it came in like a duo, like a 2-pack. So I'm matching with somebody else with. That's not what you think it is. I know it looks like it is, but it's not, I promise. It's literally just like a face roller for like oily skin. Like if my skin is like way too oily, because there is moments where I'm not home like all day, or like I'm not gonna be home, you know what I mean? And I just like, I can't get a washcloth or a napkin or something to wipe off my face, because I literally have to wipe off my face minimum at least twice a day, in the morning and at night, because I have so much oil on my face. It's just natural. That's why like whenever like my acne, I'm not insecure about it. It's natural. It happens. I have naturally oily skin. It's gonna fucking happen, you know? So this is a face roller so that you don't have oily skin. That's what it is. Here's my wind and waterproof matches. Wind and waterproof. Yeah, you gotta stomp these bitches out. There's not many left in there because I have used them quite often over the past few years, clearly. So you never know when you need matches, man. Sometimes you don't have a lighter and you need a match. That's literally the whole reason I have them, is because sometimes you don't have a lighter and you need a match. Wind and waterproof matches. And last but not least, more fucking lip gloss. Actually, all of them have been chapstick. This is the first lip gloss. I don't know, flavored lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. That's what that is. I don't know. You never know when you need lip gloss sometimes, man. I don't know. Clearly I have a dry lip situation going on that nobody really told me about. But yeah, that's what I carry in my bag for the most part, like all of the time. Obviously sometimes I add or take things out of it, but that's like the basic essentials that I have all of the time. Just found out that I have an issue with dry lip. Didn't know I needed, what, 3-4 lip products in my bag? That's insane, actually. Usually if I'm like actually leaving and I know I'm gonna be gone for like a full day, what's added into there is usually like a wall, like a block. I don't know what people call them. We call them blocks, or like the wall part of chargers. The wall plug-in part, or the actual charger itself. Those two things would be added in there because my phone always dying and I'm always on it. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked it. It's kind of just me yapping, to be honest, but I guess that's what my entire YouTube channel is just me yipping and yapping, talking a little too much. I think that's kind of the whole point here. So if you liked it, let me know. If you didn't like it, don't let me know. Don't tell me. I don't want to know. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit all of the buttons, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!